As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're comparing the Weber Q1000 and the Genesis E-435. Right off the bat, the price difference is huge. The Q1000 is around $229, and the Genesis E-435 is like $1,399 even on sale.
Yeah, that's a big jump. What are we getting for that extra cash?
Well, size is a massive factor. The Q1000 is super portable, only 27.5 pounds, perfect for tailgating. It's got a cooking area of 189 square inches, heated by one 8,500 BTU burner.
So, compact. The Genesis E435, though, sounds like a beast.
It is. Weighing in at 220 pounds, it's definitely staying put. But you get a massive 4,168 square centimeters of cooking space, plus a side burner. That's like a full outdoor kitchen.
Okay, that explains the price difference. 4 burners versus 1, and a side burner. What about materials?
The Q1000 has porcelain-enameled cast iron grates and a cast aluminum body. Pretty standard stuff. The Genesis E435 uses alloy steel for the frame and stainless steel for the handle, and it's got porcelain-enameled cast iron cooking grates too.
Anything else that makes the Genesis worth the extra investment?
Definitely the Weber-crafted outdoor kitchen collection compatibility. It lets you swap out grates for things like a roasting basket or a pizza stone. Plus, it's got a huge sear zone and an expandable top cooking grate. Basically, you can cook a whole restaurant-quality meal on it. And a grill locker for tool storage.
Sounds fancy, but the Q1000 is fully assembled out of the box, right?
Yep. The Genesis E435 requires assembly, which could be a pain. But the Q1000 needs those disposable propane cylinders, sold separately, or an optional adapter hose. The Genesis uses a standard propane tank.
So it really boils down to portability and budget versus size and features.
Exactly. If you need something small and easy to carry, the Q1000 is great. But if you want a full grilling experience and have the space and budget, the Genesis E435 seems like the way to go. It has almost all the features you could want in a propane grill, and it's expandable with the Weber-crafted system. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.